Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at importing an image and setting up our project for doubling up our colors. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the tutorial here. So now, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at doubling up colors. But first, we need to start somewhere. So that's going to be by making a new image. So you can either click on this little plus or go File, New. Now, the setting to set here won't be that important because we're not going to be using it for exporting our image. So I'm just going to leave everything at default, say OK. And then we have our base. So I'm going to go now to File. So now we want to get our image inside our program. So let's just go File. I'm going to go down till I find Import. Click that. Then I want to navigate to the image I like, or the image I'm going to be using. Say Import. And it's going to give you this different crosshair. We basically ask you where you want to import the image to. I'm just going to click there and then open it up. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to actually edit this image. I'm going to select it and then go to bitmap on my top main menu, and then from the drop down menu I'm going to go down until I find the one that says edit bitmap. I'm going to click that and it's going to open us a whole nother window for CorelDraw, which is just for editing bitmaps. Once it's open, I'm going to full screen it, and then we have our bitmap. Now in this actual worksheet, there's a few things I want to set up. So if we don't have the object manager and the channels here on the right, then what I would like to do is just set that up. So I'm just going to close it, for example. So we're going to go here to Window, Dockers, and then we go Object Manager. We can click that, and then I'm going to click on this little plus to add another one, and then we're going to go Channels. So now we have our channels and our actual image, and we are ready to start changing things. But before we do that, there's still one more step I want to do, and that's quickly just set the color mode for this. So it is not currently RGB, so green, red, green, and blue, but CMYK. So I'm going to go to the actual image with it selected, and then I want to go and select the one called Convert. Sorry, let's fix the zoom again. Convert to CMYK color 32-bit. I'm going to select that, and now on the right here you can see it's changed it from RGB to C, M, Y, and K. I'm going to click on the top one again just so it shows all of them. But yeah, before we add on with this, in the meanwhile though, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.